Hello, this is Tarek Habib. Today I gonna discuss about MVC model and some related things about migration. I already discussed about MVC in the last lesson. For details about MVC, please see lesson 3. So if you ask me what is model represents the data. It could interact with the database and it is considered that the central component of the MVC pattern is model. Okay. We generate migration by the command php artisan make migration, by this command. But we will not use this command for migration today. We will use -migration flag or -m flag to create migration at the same time we create model. It means we will use php artisan make model name is MyModel, and with the flag -m. So this command will create a file in the database migration folder, and migration file name contains a timestamp which allows Laravel to determine the order of the migrations. I will show you everything step by step. So at first I just copy this command. I'm not going to type it. This is Visual Studio Code. I copied it here, the command, and just press the enter and see what happened. Remember one thing, it will create a folder in the database migration. It will create a file in the database migration folder, and the folder name contains a timestamp so that you can identify the order of the migration file. And when we create a migrate command, then this command php artisan migrate, then it will create table in the database, connect to database and create a table in the database. It's still going on, and you can roll back, like once you migrate you can roll back it by php artisan migrate rollback command. See, model created successfully and the migration is created. If you check the name, this is the date of today, and this is also named with the table name like MyModels. Okay, so if we see, if you can see the model here in the model folder, so it's working. See, here is a file named mymodel.php. It's opening. Here the model file contains the basic format here, and we will later on write some code here. And if we see here, we have also a file from the migration. We will find that file in the database folder, database migration, here MyModel table. You see here all the default codes are here, and we'll write some code also here. This is up function and this is down function here. And up function is used to create table, and the down function is the reverse of that. And here there is a function called create, and this is for to create a new table in the database. And here it contains two parameters. First is the name of the table, and the second is the closure, which receives a blueprint object that may be used to define the new table. Yeah. And here we'll change the code, like this line will create a column in the database table named ID, and it will create two columns in the database named created and updated at. And we'll have some code for change. We'll copy it, and later on I will discuss about this, and paste it here. This is name column in the table, type string. This is address column in the table, type of string. Yeah. And when we'll run the command of migration, this command, PHP artisan migrate, then it will create a table named MyModel in the database. I am using here MySQL database. I'm showing you now. I'm not going to type in, just copy it from here, yeah, and paste it here. And before that I am showing you the table in the database, and there is no such name, table name in this model name. Yeah, like here model name is MyModel, so there should be a table name my-_model. Yeah, see here in the test database there is no MyModel table, but when we run this command, it will create a table in the database. Press enter, and I told you before that if you want to undo a rollback, use PHP artisan migrate rollback command. Yeah, see, migrating, create MyModel table, migrated. Yeah, let's see in the database. If we refresh it, loading, and we'll see another table here named my_model. It's taking some time. Here, see, here is a table named my_models. Table name always take the convention of plurality. It add an extra s after the name, so it is not MyModel, it is MyModels, an extra s at the end, for because it's plural, it take the convention of plurality. So And this is, I think, all for today, and see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye.